today, Yardie belly, I'm going to put on a cooking. I'm going to do a cooking, right? It's nothing big, but at the same time, it's just a creative way of using what we have available here. Today, I'm taking deli meat, which is roast beef. And even though I would not eat it as it is good for making cheesesteak sandwich. As you see, I'm adding all my ingredients, Mrs. Dash, black pepper, Cajun seasoning. I'm adding all these things that I'm going to saute them with my onions and peppers to make filling cheese sandwich. It takes less than a minute for everything to be sauteed properly. I just want to get the pink out because this meat is available in the supermarket in almost rare. But I don't like the rare beef, and so I just want to change the texture of it. And so it's almost done. Now I'm adding flavoring. This is Old Dutch sweet and sour dressing. And I find that the Old Dutch sweet and sour dressing is beautiful when you want to add good flavor to your meat. This is Kikkoman soya sauce, and the soya sauce is, normally soya sauce has a lot of salt. Well, the Kikkoman is different. It doesn't have a lot of salt at all. And so it gives your meat some very, very good seasoning. Here, as usual, in Philadelphia, they saute their meats with onion. I'm using fresh Vidalia onion. And, of course, Vidalia onion is my choice because it's sweet. You can actually eat it raw, and it tastes real good. And I tell no lie. One of my onion drop out. Lord Jesus.
Pick it up.
Nah, pick it up. But the onion, as soon as the onion becomes a little bit translucent, then the dish would be ready. I'm going to also add...
Translucent or transparent?
Translucent is the word.
Oh.
If you want a transparent, you can say it too, but a translucent. But check it in the dictionary.
The culinary dictionary?
Any kind of dictionary.
Oh.
The foreign dictionary.
Oh.
And then, last but not least, I'm going to put in my green peppers. And the green peppers is just mainly for color and crunch. So, it's going to taste good, and then something there.
And it could have been red peppers too?
It could have been any color pepper you want, red, gold, or green.
Okay.
In Jesus' name. Alright. Now, if you notice I have more pepper and onion than beef, it's because we're not too like the beef. Because it's not too healthy.
Oh.
But we want to make sure so our body sort out, you understand?
Yeah.
So, through in the foreign, you want to eat the whole of beef like them foreign paper. You understand?
So you mock the beef?
We mock the beef. We just give them beef essence. And that's one of the main reasons also why we use the deli style beef, because we don't want to really consume no whole of red meat, you understand? We just want to keep our body structure right certain way. This is also great if you're doing like, what is something named peppered steak and then something there. Now, when we're done, we're going to serve it with this. I'm going to buy this at Publix, $3.49. Alright, now, here we have assembled the ingredients then for the finished sandwich. We have the hoagie roll, which I buy at Publix, so them call it midnight roll. I think it's a potato bread, because it smells like the potato bread. And you know, so the foreign thing, the foreign have one potato bread up here, ladies and gentlemen, where, may I tell you the truth, it's very nice. Nice. I lie, me I tell?
I don't lie, it's true.
It's nice. So we have the potato bread, and we slice it, and then the cheese whiz, we had to prepare the cheese with a little bit more. We had to put it in the microwave.
Cheese whiz. It's cheese whiz.
Sure. Remember do my video now? Yeah, we put it in the microwave and add a little bit of milk. Just to get it moving. Then we also add some rest of condiments. What we make, we never make this, but this is a jalapeno pepper. And them come pickled, and we have that for add to your sandwich. In Philadelphia, them give jalapeno pepper. You understand? And then we have a cabbage slaw where my wife do with some cabbage and okra. Cause you know where I work with the high blood pressure thing, and we try ease up the high blood pressure. You know. So we have that, and we can put that in the sandwich. Cause you see our sandwich no partial. Our sandwich healthy. So what we start with first is the cheese whiz, because that's what I see them do it up at Philadelphia. Them add the cheese whiz. And it's up to you based on your taste. You add the cheese whiz in at the something. You know, and me a boy when I like it on the two side. Yeah, I mean I want it one side I think one bird can't fly on one wing.
You like balance?
I love it when it's balance. You understand? And then now here we have the cheese and you know the pepper and everything. You know, the onion, and as I tell you, don't worry about the onion or the amount of onion we're going at, because may I tell you the truth, ladies and gentlemen, the onion, yeah, it's bad. I mean, good. You know how we Jamaican talk already. Right? And I see the sandwich there, Watch the man, the sandwich start on. Remember, me tell you.
Woo!
And then, ladies and gentlemen, all you have to do now is you just add your liquor, sing them what you want now to dress it up, you know. You can put your little cabbage slaw in it to make it look a little bit more proper. Yeah. You know, you just put your cabbage. Yeah, oh that looks that look good.
You look very intelligent.
Very intelligent, may I tell you the truth. That sandwich you take life.
Baby, where there? It look intelligent, but
and then have one of them jalapeno them hot, ladies and gentlemen, them hot, so I not put enough. Because next thing you know, people are bad.
You're blocking the video though.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Seriously.
But ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Philadelphia cheesesteak, Jamaican style. And again, just to get a little bit more outside.
Jamaican style, I know lettuce and tomato in it.
No, we're not do lettuce and tomato with Philadelphia cheesesteak sandwich, baby. Yeah? You're on a Subway. You think a Subway over there? Eat fresh. Them stale thing? Nah.
Don't do that.
See there? We're gone there. Alright? Remember me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, boom. 100%. Yardie belly in a forest.